This is not soup. This is destiny. 150 grams of flour, 250 milliliters water. Add water little by little. Fold and stir in one direction. Keep folding and swirling until it turns into a smooth, thick batter. Set it aside. No resting needed. Chop the ripe tomatoes into small dices. Let every piece face its fate. Grandma's clay pot, hot oil. Fry the meat first. Lock the savory flavor. Judgment begins. Add tomato pieces into the pot. Stir fry until fully soft and juicy. Grandma's pot keeps all flavor. Pour in boiling water at once. Simmer till the soup turns milky white. Ancestral lump making tool. Pour the batter into the tool. Push and pull back and forth. Dough lumps fall into the boiling soup naturally. Batter turns into lumps naturally. Grab the relentless iron spoon. Stir gently. Separate the clustered dough lumps. Let each piece float freely. Embrace its own fate. Leon's easy recipes never needs complicated condiments. A pinch of salt is all it takes to awaken the original flavor. Drizzle in egg liquid. Seal the ultimate taste of the whole pot. Crack one stubborn tempered egg and whisk it smooth. Pour the egg liquid into the pot. Stir non-stop with the dedicated chopsticks to form delicate egg ribbons. Listen, a humble moan. Everything ends here. Sour, fresh, warm, and comforting. One bowl full of family warmth. Taste the beauty of Chinese food. Embrace premium living.